everyone, welcome to my channel once again. Today I'm going to unpacking customers for my YouTube channel. Let's check out together. Oh wow, I love this color. Let's check out the printing. Smooth. It's too smooth. And the fabric quality, yeah, it's good. It's a good quality fabric. And you can see the sides. It's also very neat. And there is holes on 4 sides. So you can hang it everywhere in your wall, porch, fence. So you can go anywhere you want and look at the color. It's really nice and eye-catching. You can customize the banner with your favorite pictures, logo for different occasions like Halloween, Christmas, your birthday, anniversary. Below in the description box, you'll get all the information and the link for order.